Hello everyone. Today discuss about terminology. That means in this case we have a study about terminology. That means we have discussed about in this topic various types of distance. Head in above diagram, pitch and distance, edge distance, gauge distance. That means pitch is the center to center distance between horizontal direction. That means pitch is the center to center distance of adjacent rivets or poles hole measured in the direction of stress. Now, what is the value of pitch? Clause 10.22 minimum pitch is 2.5 D. To prevent bearing failure between two bolts, sufficient space to tighten bolts. Now, maximum pitch. Describable to place bolts, sufficient clause 10.2.3. First one is that to reduce length of connection and gusset plate. To have uniform stress. Now, distance between two consecutive bolts less than equal to 16 T or 200 mm in tension. Also less than 12 T, that is 200 mm in compression. Now, distance between two adjacent bolts less than 32 T, T the thickness, 300 mm. Now, gauge. What is gauge? A row of rivets which is parallel to the direction of stress is called gauge line. The normal distance between two adjacent gauge lines is called the gauge. Edge distance denoted by E, the distance between the edge of a member or cover plate from the center of the nearest bolt, rivet or bolt hole. Minimum edge distance for rivet 1.5 D. Now, nominal diameter, it is the diameter of the shank. Shank is the any bolt and rivet. Long portion is known as shank. It is the diameter of the shank of the rivet. For bolts, the diameter of the unthreaded portion of the shank is called its nominal diameter. Gross diameter denoted by D. The diameter of the rivet hole or bolt hole is called its gross diameter. Now, for above diagram, easy way remember, in the direction of pitch, you will consider end distance. In the direction of gauge, we have considered edge distance. Sometimes difficult decide the edge distance, end distance, pitch, gauge. So always remember in the direction of pitch, end distance consider, and the direction of gauge, edge distance consider. Now, for rivet, as per clause 3.6.1.1 of IS 800/1984, diameter is equal to D plus 1.5 mm for D less than 25 mm. Yeah, whole diameter is equal to D plus 2 mm for dia is greater than equal to 25 mm. Now, for bolt, minimum and maximum edge distance and end distance are given in clause 10.2.4.2 and 10.2.4.3 in the IS code. The minimum edge end distance is greater than 1.7 times the whole diameter in case of shared or hand flange cutter edge, but greater than 1.5 times whole diameter. हम इसको दो तरह से कंसीडर कर सकते हैं, ग्रेटर देन 1.7 या ग्रेटर देन 1.5. जब in case of rolled consider 1.7 other than 1.5. In case of rolled machine flame cut, यदि machine flame cut है तो 1.7 consider करेंगे, otherwise 1.5. Swan and plant aged. The maximum edge distance less than 12 T epsilon, where epsilon is equal to 250 upon Fy to the power half. T is the thickness of the thinner plate. Now bolt holes. Bolt holes are required to facilitate the insertion of bolts to make connection between steel members. Bolt holes are usually made larger than the nominal diameter of the bolt to a smooth and progress of erection and accommodate minor differences. Bolt hole is equal to bolt diameter plus clearance of hole, clause 10.2.1 table 19 also given. This is the remember point diameter, standard clearance, oversize, short slot, long slot. 12 to 14, 1, 3, 4, 2.5D. 16 to 22, standard clearance 2, oversize 4, short slot 6, and long slot 2.5D. Now, diameter 24, then standard clearance 2, oversize 6, short slot 8, and long shot 2.5D. And greater than 24, standard clearance 3, oversize 8, short slot 10, and long shot 2.5D. Okay, thank you.